What's going on? JakeOfALL here. And if you've watched my little Home Depot, Milwaukee MX Fuel visit day, then you've seen some of this, but a couple of you have asked for, hey, can we see just some PACKOUT tours? So I went ahead and put this one together from that video of just the van and the truck tour. No, it's not a tour of mine yet because I still have a couple tags on it and I haven't washed all my tools. So go ahead and take a look at this one, check it out. I hope you like these guys' setups. They're pretty thorough and they've tried to think of everything. And I know it's not always what you would want, but it's definitely some good ideas. So take a look. All right, behind me, this is a nice PACKOUT setup. So today we're gonna show you a couple of these setups and we're gonna start right away at this. It's a Veto Bag. You guys keep asking for this. It's simple. Double-sided sticky tape. Put them in your holes. Put your bag on it. Pull your bag off, drop your screws in, you're done. You don't need anything special. Stealth mount 3D printed, doesn't matter. We got drawers. Look at these things. Completely set up. I know, you guys are gonna love it because there's no foam. You don't need it, but it does organize it. Got a full torch. All planned out, and you know, it's all on your bins or your slow profiles. This guy's got it set up to do every kind of odd job that his job might call them. Funny one, this is intentional, right? This bed slide, look at this height. So this is just there for looks. Then we've got some stuff that probably gets used a little less in the back. Stealth mount feet, double-sided, pulling the PACKOUT cart. Heck yeah. We got the M12 in between. Perfect place for the ladder to go in. PACKOUT vac, we love that. Paint and caulk, you gotta make sure you keep your caulk, pipe fittings, parts, you name it. Like these up, we even have the M18, a welder. I like that, welding, love it. Very well thought out. And then on the sides, look at this. Compressor. Oh yeah, oh so much fun. And of course you always gotta have a chainsaw. We got another one, Adams, who is actually a local. I mean, this one's local, but we know Adam a lot. Look at that, it's just beautiful. All right, let's go look at Adams. All right, so now we are at Adams, and he does HVAC. Between my seats. Oh, it's cool. He's got a good color hat, you know what I'm saying? And look, what's that? Oh no, that's just product placement, sorry. Look at this, so this is a nice working setup. I was explaining it to someone else over there, but you can tell, right, it's set up because he uses it. And we've got the shelves, plywood. That's not a unistrut, that's more of like a, that's like a half. That's, oh, that is part of the truck
it's
stuff?
for the truck. It's on the ground too.
Okay.
It's for the shelves.
Oh,
but there's like little slide brackets and you put a bolt.
So it's sort of like a unistrut, but
sort of
not. It's sort of specific for it.
It's like what's this stuff here?
It's like the E-Track.
Like the E-Track, specifically for truck shelving.
Gotta have a cooler. So that, I noticed you have the black and red, so you put that one together too.
The black one I'm building. So I'm building.
Oh, these are, okay, that's right. You cut them off?
So this is their, that's their
stubby.
Do you have it? Yeah, so I'm building my own. I bought this one I'm building. So I got the adapters and then the automotive underneath it. But I don't use a ton of metal.
So you just ordered the trays?
The tray I just ordered, yeah.
Okay.
This one I ordered as a whole and then put it in here. I just took it out of that.
And then you'll cut the foam, put more on the bottom, and instead of having a low profile, you'll go with the standard, which is nice because this doesn't fit in the low, but can fit in there.
That's why I did it. That's exactly why I did it, was so that I could put this in there.
Grinding, crates. Oh yeah. Working setup.
This is the working setup. I got, look, you got a blower motor bed, universal motor puller, So I don't even take the motor out. I just put that down inside and just take that one screw out and pull the motor out rather than doing all the carriage, the whole mounting.
Oh, nice.
I do a whole motor in like 6 minutes now.
He doesn't wash his pack out, so you can tell.
No.
You know that's like the #1 gripe, right? People get. And so I was asking him, and all of his stuff is clean. But you can tell he's using it because none of his tools are like scratch free like mine. So everyone's like, "Oh, you don't use your stuff." Well, yeah. He's like, "No, I just take care of it and clean it."
I hose them down.
Nice little setup.
Mine get clean because
All right. I hope you like those. Adam specifically, I know him. He's on Instagram. Great little setup, working, functional. It's nothing supposed to, win trophy awards or whatever because he uses his all the other time. The other guy, I forget his name. I apologize for that. I didn't have his Instagram handle because some of us just don't carry that stuff around all the time. You know I do. But I did want to share it with y'all, and he gave me permission. And I really hope you guys like his setup. It's pretty thorough, and he uses his stuff. He's got a full-time job managing a lot of facilities and a lot of stuff in facilities. So I hope you like it. And what I actually would like you to do is if you've got ones that you want me to feature, you want to send me some videos, I'll share them. If you send me the stuff on Instagram, reach out to me, comment below. Let me know in the comments if you've got a specific person you want me to try to get a tour of, or if you want me to tour yours, or what you would do differently. And let's just share the ideas in the comments. So I appreciate you guys watching this one. I hope this little re-edit worked for you all, and have a good one because we all love to pack out, right? I'll see you.